down. Dark wave.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some new gaming tech accessories. So this is the Hylas gaming headset. So this is new and this is new, and look at that, so very nice. There is also a dragon on it, so this is a branded one. So as you can see right there, so you can see right the package contents: Hylas gaming headset, audio adapter cable. Oh, okay, adapter cable, and as user manual. So system requirements for this is also for Windows Vista, XP, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10, and Win 11. So unit approximate size and weight. So there's a length of 202 millimeter, width is 175, height 97, and weight 295. So in here nothing, but here let's check the what is this features of this. So this is the Hylas red dragon. So this is a red dragon. So for only I bought this in here in our country, Philippines, PC quick buys. So stereo gaming headset with RGB lights. So high quality reproduction of sound by 50mm dynamic driver unit, RGB backlighting, highly sensitive physical noise reduction microphone, 3.5mm by 2 gold plated pin provide a superb sound performance. Attach audio adapter cable compatible with PS4, Switch, Xbox One, and also in a notebook. So built-in volume adjustment, and earmuff design is comfortable to wear. So here it goes. So stereo gaming headset. Okay, now another language. So let's system support: Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, 10, and 11. So product specification, there is also a product. So plug type is USB plus, 3.5mm by 2. Speaker diameter of 50 mm, sensitivity of 110, 3 decibel, SPL at 1 kHz, frequency response 20 to 20,000 hertz, impedance of 15%, microphone dimensions into 40 by 15mm, microphone and sensitivity 38 to 3 decibel. So okay, and then microphone directivity omnidirectional, and also the microphone impedance is 2.2 K. I don't know what is that symbol right there. I don't know what is that symbol. So okay, so let's open it up. Okay, it's having some like this one. Okay, and so let's open. So okay, there you go, there you have it. Okay, let's open this up. There you go. Oh, nice. And there you have it, the red dragon Hylas. And here we are. Whoa, nice. Okay, so in here I have some just gonna take this off first. So this one, okay, so I'm gonna, okay, and then and there it is, just this a user manual. Okay, red dragon Hylas gaming headset. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, user manual. So operating support, operating system, and also okay, normal just a normal one. Okay, and there is also a, what is this, I think a sticker. Yes, it's a sticker. Okay, yes, a sticker. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this. So the sticker Red Dragon Hylas. Okay, ready for battle. So there you go. There you have it. Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this a sticker, and let's get over with the. Let's get over with. Okay, there is also a two 3.5 millimeter, so this will go 3.5 millimeter, and also there is the cable on it. So in order for you to connect it, oh, okay, nice, I love it. So okay, so this is the Hylas, this is the Red Dragon Hylas gaming headset. Okay, nice, perfect, RGB lights on it. So in order for you to use it, there is also a audio adapter in here so that you can connect it. Okay, and then yes, that one, yes, you can connect this into your system, so into your laptop or into your device. So in order for you to use this, is you have to plug it into your laptop, or yes, plug it into your laptop so that you can, so that you will use the, okay, this one over here. Okay, there's a red one, there's a green, there's a red and a green. So I think the one, okay, there's a red and a green line. So I think the green is in this black, the black one. And also this one is, you're gonna put this in here, okay, like that one, and then you have to plug it in into your system. And also there's a USB, so you have to connect it to your laptop. So in order for you to use so I don't know if it's gonna work without, I don't know if it's gonna work without this one. So if I'm gonna put this into my Nintendo Switch, so I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on right here. So it's not lighting it up, so I think needs the, so I think it needs the adapter on it. So I'm gonna try it out. So I'm gonna try the adapter. Okay, so I have a adapter in here. Okay, and then so that you can see the, okay, there you go. So there it goes. So it is light. So Red Dragon Hylas, everyone. So I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna the cable. So I'm gonna turn on the cable. So okay, let's gonna I think I'm gonna, okay, so asphalt. So I'm gonna try to have a first version of it. So there you go, there you have it. This is the volume is okay, and then look at that. Okay, so Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Before I'm gonna make so because okay, before I'm gonna make it so the the audio is very very good and very nice, and it is designed for gaming, so I'm gonna try it out. Okay, I'm gonna try the audio of it. So I can play the game because okay, I'm gonna try another one. So all of this game are, so gonna try the some battle on it. So okay, so that was just the example. So I'm gonna take it off and let's gonna see this for okay viewing. Okay, I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna reverse it to the front facing camera so that you can see the actual headset, the actual headphone that I wear in my ear. Okay, so gonna see this. Okay, so here, this is the hand. So this is the headphone. So and also there is a mic on it. So there's a mic. So and this is the how to use it. So this one, like, you can have it like that one, and then when you are playing, so you can see like that. So while you are playing, you can voice over, and you can use this in Call of Duty, I think. Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and also Warface, and also you can use this in Pokemon, and also you can use this in Pokemon Unite also. So and other playing mobile gaming games, so and also in handheld and also in PC. So the output of this is this one. Okay, you're just gonna have to plug it in so that you can use it. You have to plug in so that you can use the light. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna work without the lights on it, so I don't know, so I'm gonna try it out if it's gonna work. Okay. So it's still gonna work without it's still gonna work if you're not gonna use this. It's still working on it. It's still working without the power. So the purpose of this one is the RGB lights on it. It's the RGB lights in here. So this is the purpose of the what is this called? The purpose of the USB. So it's the RGB lights on it. So if you don't want to use the RGB lights, you just gonna have to lay it down and playing without the RGB lights. Okay, so I'm gonna try and test it also so that you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna so I'm there you go, there you have it. Okay, and then you can see like that one is very good. Okay, and then the other one, okay, right there. Okay, good, love it. So that was, guys, this is the red dragon Hylas. So I bought this only for 750 pesos in PC Quick Buys here in our country, Philippines. So to all the gamers out there from Philippines, so if you want to buy a gaming head, if you're a gamer and if you want to buy a gaming headphone, so I think this is it, guys. Budget headphone, so for gaming, so it's very good and very nice. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and this is my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also like my video. Okay.